Debank Portfolio Overview is a comprehensive tool that provides users with a detailed snapshot of their entire cryptocurrency portfolio. To start, Debank is a popular platform that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. The Portfolio Overview feature is the central hub of the Debank platform, offering a unified view of all the user's assets, including coins, tokens, and other digital assets. This feature is crucial for investors, as it enables them to monitor the performance of their portfolio in real time, making it easier to make informed investment decisions. To access the Debank Portfolio Overview, users need to connect their wallets and exchanges to the Debank platform. This can be done by scanning a QR code or entering the wallet address manually. Once connected, Debank will automatically synchronize the user's portfolio data, providing a complete picture of their assets. The Portfolio Overview page displays key information such as the total value of the portfolio, the distribution of assets, and the overall profit and loss. Users can also view the performance of individual assets, including their current price, market capitalization, and trading volume. One of the key benefits of the Debank Portfolio Overview is its ability to track assets across multiple chains and platforms. This means that users can view their assets on different blockchains, such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and others, all in one place. In addition to the portfolio overview, Debank also provides other features such as transaction tracking, price alerts, and portfolio analytics. These features help users to stay on top of their investments and make data-driven decisions. Best practices for using the Debank Portfolio Overview include regularly reviewing and updating the portfolio, diversifying assets to minimize risk, and using the platform's analytics tools to optimize investment strategies. By following these best practices, users can maximize the value of the Debank Portfolio Overview and achieve their investment goals.